Hello everyone, welcome back to this another video. So in this video we are going to learn about how we can serve dynamic HTML pages for in this Django framework. So first of all we need to remember that Django has a template system which is Jinja 2, okay, which is like conditioning like this. Simple is simple. Observe that it's like a Vue.js or something as expected. For Jinja 2, we don't need to learn Jinja 2 separately. It's a simple language which is templating language of this Django framework. So first of all, we need to learn the structure of the template. So first of all, there is an app which is called the blog admin. I think there is an app has a folder which is called the templates. Folder has an folder. Directory has a directory which is name as the same as your app name. So blog app. Here you can save your templates like base.html, index.html or anything. So now we are creating just a simple table or list view which is used to start blog. So we can only develop a simple list view. So let's get started. So as you can see structure, we have the blog admin app here. We need to just create a new folder which is called templates. In the template we need to create another directory which is same as the app name, so blog admin. Okay, so in this blog admin we need a file which is first file is the index.html, another file. So here is two files, so I didn't need to create any base file or any other files like whichever structure of the all files, all pages. So we didn't need any header footer, we only need a list view. When you click on the any list item, then it goes to the show blog page. So show.html. okay, so now we are using the bootstrap. So first of all I need to go to this web page and bootstrap. Okay, there is no internet, so I will pause the video and here I have the internet like bootstrap. So bootstrap opened. So bootstrap is nothing, it's a front-end framework which is used with JSS, HTML and CSS, JS and CSS, JavaScript and cascading styles. So we need to only import these things here from here. So we need to create a simple HTML page, head page, head tag, and here we need to paste this all JS things. And here we have so first of all we got the structuring, we got nothing in the structuring, so I need to structure the code. So that's right. Okay, so here we have the body. Okay, and here we have the title. Okay, like posts. Then and body has list. Okay, so we need to go to the documentation, and here we have the component tab. So in the component tab we got the list right now. So list group, you can see, so we need clickable list like here. You can see the list group clickable list, so we need like this. Okay, so now we need to serve this index page as that as the return from the this URL views.index. We need to serve the index page on this URL. Okay, this first URL path. So in the views we have one render. So first of all I need to clear this and I need to render and get the request at the render and the path. So blog admin /index dot html. Okay, now we have the path and we can see that what it has. So now I'm clearing these things, and okay, so you can see that there is a blog, okay, like this. So now we need to just get this blog. We need to just get the blog data from the admin side. Okay, so first of all, we need to just get this data from the admin side. So I am just structuring this as the disable. Okay, every item is nothing inactive, so every item is disable. So now we need to just get this data from here. So we need to import here from dot models import. What is the model name? Model name is blog. So we can import the blog here, and when we get blog, then here we need to try pass and accept return redirect to slash. Okay, redirect is from the shortcuts. So we have now blog, so I need to just get the blog here. So I am creating a new entity blog as the blog dot objects dot all, which gets the all blocks from here. Okay, and the context as means that you need to pass something, so you need to follow this format right now. So context has the or we pass data from here also. You can see here that like here. So I am passing the blocks, which has the name as the blog. Okay, so we have the blog. We pass this blog to this index.html. So you learn there's three argument. Have render have three argument. One is the request, second is the template source, and third is the context, which means the data which binds with views. So we are going to the our index.html. Here we need only one. Okay, so we need only one list. You can create a dynamic list from here. So for blog in blocks, okay, and here we can write the end block, here, n4, sorry, end block, not n4. So here we are displaying the blog name. So blog name is the blog title. So I am giving blog dot title. So here we can see that blog comes dynamically from the database. You can see here the database admin as the admin panel. So 127, that's admin. So you can see that here is the three blocks and here is the three blocks. But we have settled the draft system. Whenever the block is in draft, then it doesn't display to the published area. So it is the published area at the client side, and we have one block in draft. So we didn't need to show that block. So here we need to post a condition that if the block dot draft is equal to false, okay, then we need to display the blocks. So here we need to push the condition if block dot draft, okay, block dot draft means they are drafted. If not block dot draft, then it can't display. So and if, okay, so you can see that here's template error reminder block.wrap. So I have to just write if not. I think that's why. You can see. So if there is block.wrap, block is saved in the wrap, there is the sfmkdf, which is not displayed at this because block is saved, not published right now. So if we disable, means we uncheck this and save this, and we can see the block will be shown here. So now for this video that's all. So in another video we can build a page for reading the, for when we click on this list item, then we go to the redirect to the another page which is show post, and we see whole blog content and everything. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video, and stay tuned for another video.